and welcome to Stacey D's Kitchen. As Valentine's Day is around the corner, I thought I'd show you how to make my love rolls. These are perfect for Valentine's Day, but also for any time of year when you're feeling the love. Enjoy the tutorial. Get yourself a nice big bowl and into it put 450 grams of strong white bread flour. On top of that, you need 20 grams of caster sugar. I'll pop that in there. And on the other side, put 1 teaspoon of salt. Then in here I have instant yeast. This is 1 sachet, so that's 7 grams of instant yeast. I'm going to put that in. You want to keep it all separate for now. Now I'm going to sprinkle some lovely beetroot powder on here. Because I'm making love bread, I want it to be pink, but I also want it to be natural. So I've used beetroot powder, which is full of antioxidants, vitamins and minerals. And if you sprinkle it on, not too much, just a little sprinkle, it should colour your bread a nice pinky colour. And no one can taste it. It just makes it look really great. And it's good for you. Now I'm going to pour 30 ml of olive oil into the bowl, followed by around 240 ml of tepid water. So that's just warm to the touch. I'm going to save a little bit in there just in case. I don't want it to get too wet. So I'm just going to save a little bit. And then I'm going to start stirring with the spatula to combine it all. Once I've stirred it, it's time to get your hand in. I do need the rest of this water. So it's 240 ml exactly of tepid water. Okay, now it's time to get your hand in to finish it off. You just need enough water so that all the flour has come away from the bowl and you've got yourself a nice ball. I'm going to put it on the table. Now it's time to start kneading. I'm just going to knead it for a little while. Doesn't take long at all to make a nice smooth ball. Everyone has a different kneading technique. You'll see the nice pinky colour that the beetroot's made. When it was bread week in the tent, we all were making up kneading songs. It was very funny, like "I Need You Tonight" and "Need the World." And can't think of, if you think of any funny kneading songs, put them in the comments below because it was really amusing singing along. "I need you tonight." Some of the younger ones didn't even know who In Excess were. Can you believe it? You know, we're not far off now. Okay, I'm quite happy with that. So now you can make it into a nice ball, just pull and tuck under. You see, squeeze together at the bottom, go around and squeeze. Lovely. I'm going to grab myself a bowl. And if there's a little bit of oil left in your pot, just oil the bowl, pop the bread in there. Cover it with a shower cap. If you don't have a shower cap, use cling film. And now this has to rest in a warm place for 1 hour. And then I'll be back. Once the hour's up, tip the bread onto your surface. I'm going to punch it down a little bit. And then we want to split it into 10 pieces. I'll weigh the whole ball, about 750. And so we're going to split it into 10 pieces, so 75 grams each. So let's do that now. Don't have to be exact. Okay, once all your pieces are there, we're going to make them all into balls. So we're going to stretch it round and make a nice tight ball with each one. Sort of stretch it and pull it underneath. Now they're all into nice balls, it's time to make your hearts. Take one ball like this. What you want to do is roll it to make a teardrop shape, like that. You don't want it to be too long. Cut, open, and pop it on your tray. It's inevitable they will be slightly different sizes and shapes. These are absolutely wonderful as dinner rolls or hamburger buns. Last night my children had these as hamburger buns. They were very excited. They've all been put on the tray. Now what you have to do is gently push down with your hand. You have to do this pushing down with the hand so that when they rise back up again, they keep their shape. It just keeps their shape a lot easier. So push them gently down with your hand, like so. I've covered the rolls with oil-lined cling film, and now we have to leave them 40 minutes for them to rise again. Our bread rolls are now perfectly proved, and now it's time to put them in the oven for around 11 minutes on 170 degrees fan. These are cooked to perfection. They're perfect straight from the oven or cool to eat later. So now I'm going to put them on a cooling rack. And there you have it. Now you know how to make my pretty love rolls, perfect for Valentine's Day or any time of year where you're feeling the love. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, you know what to do. Click the subscribe button below and please also comment. I love to hear what you think. Until next time, bye.